Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, in today's video, I will be making two-in-one hair growth product. So I will be making first of all, this is my ginger, guys. I infused this ginger for a month, so I'll be using it for a month now. So I have in there olive oil, sunflower oil, soya beans oil, and grapeseed oil and almond oil in there. So and with the ginger powder. So I filled this for a month. So I normally put it in the gas for like every day or every other day. So for the oil to infuse very well in the ginger powder. So if you don't have ginger powder, you can also use the fresh ginger root. It's also the same, guys, like the same. You can just make it that very day without you infusing it and keeping it for a longer time. So I have the ginger powder, so I decided to infuse it to get more benefit. They are both the same. So now I'm just going to use my sauce cap to strain out the oil so that I can get out all the residue. That is what I'm doing right here. To my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming. I appreciate you guys a lot, guys. I appreciate you guys. If you are new to my channel, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I do appreciate you. Before the end of this video, if you like what you see, comment, like, share and subscribe, so that remember to also turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. So guys, if you just subscribe to my channel, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. Remember to turn on your post notification so that you will not also miss out any of my more video. Okay, so I'm just going to press out the oil. Just press every goodness out. Okay, just make sure you get all the oil out of the residue. So we are going to be moving on to the next step, guys. This oil and the grease butter is so beneficial for our health. It's so rich, it's so nice, so amazing. Like, you guys are going to love this one, like, trust me. So now this is how my oil is looking like. This is just my ginger and the other oil that I used to infuse it. Now I'm going to add my wheat germ oil. So wheat germ oil is so good for our health. It's also very extremely good for hair and scalp. It maintains our hair and also our scalp, which is also good to stimulate hair growth and also restore moisture to our hair. So this is my safflower oil. So guys, sunflower oil stimulates blood circulation to promote hair growth. It also contains a high amount of oleic acid which sink into the scalp easily. The vitamin E and essential fat acid provide moisture to the length of the hair for both hair and scalp, so which is so good, guys. So here I have my vitamin E. Vitamin A is also good for hair growth. It also maintain our hair and also our scalp. So I'll be adding 2 spoons of vitamin E oil. So next I'll be adding my castor oil, so which is also good for our health. It also make our hair feel stronger, strengthen our hair, and also contribute to hair growth. So the next thing, I'm going to add my set of essential oil. So I'm going to leave the link of all the products that I use at the description box below. So just case, just go to the description box below. You are going to see the list of the ingredients that I use in this video. So I'm just going to be adding drop of essential oil that I have. If you don't have all this, you can use the one that you have. Is also the same. I use all this because I have them and I have to use it, and they also contribute differently to hair growth and also keep our scalp healthy. So next, now my oil is ready. I've mixed all the essential and the oil, everything together. So I'm going to take out the oil now. So then we will move to the grease butter. So that is a 100 ml container, so I'm just going to fill it up, then I will just keep it aside. Guys, this is your hair grow oil. Trust me, when you use this before a month, you are going to see a huge difference in your hair grow. So now my oil is ready. This is my hair grow oil. I'm just going to secure the mat so that it will not pour out. So here is my ginger vitamin C hair grow oil. So now it's time for me to make the hair grow butter, grease butter, whatever. So grease butter. So here I have my cocoa butter. So now I'm going to add my shea butter. So you can use any butter that you know you like on your hair. So and next I'm going to use my lanolin. So we are making a grease butter, so you will be needing lanolin because lanolin is a natural moisturizer for our hair and also our skin. So I'm going to add lanolin also to keep our hair moisturized, and when your hair is moisturized, it's going to help to retain length. So the next thing is my palm oil. So palm oil is super good for our hair growth as well. So as you can see, my palm oil is melting, so I'm just going to add palm oil to this as well. So if you don't have palm oil, you can just use any other thing that you have. You can make use with what you have. You are also going to get the same benefits. Just make your ginger oil and then add what you have. If you still have palm oil, it's also going to be a plus for you. So here I have my Vaseline petroleum jelly. So now I have my petroleum jelly. I'm going to add that also. Now petroleum jelly helps to keep our hair moisturized and then keep our hair out of drying and damage, so which is also good, guys. So the next thing I will be adding here is what so that I've already added all my butter. As you can see, it's time for me to add my beeswax. So if you have the white one, you can use, but I have the yellow one. This is organic beeswax. So I'm going to add 1 spoon of my beeswax. So if you want it to be like solid, you need a beeswax. So here is my emulsifying wax. If you don't have emulsifying wax, you can make use of beeswax. Just beeswax is fine also. So now I have everything that I needed in there. I'm just going to melt this now, melt the butter and the wax, everything to be melted. So guys, I'm just going to allow bring it to melt. I'll be back. We are back. So guys, I've already melt everything. This is how my butter and beeswax and emulsifying was are looking like. So here is my ginger mist oil. So I'm going to combine everything together now. So I'm going to combine everything together, as you can see. So guys, you guys have to try this. Like, you are going to like it. This grease butter is so good. Like, since I started using grease butter on my hair, Girl, my hair is loving it. So you have to try it too. Your hair will love it too. So I'm just going to mix everything together. So just see how shiny, how moisturizing it look on my hand. So now my oil is still warm, so I'm going to keep it in the fridge for like 5 minutes for it to cool down. Then I will just bring it back, then I will show you what I will be doing next after mixing everything together for the oil and the butter and the was together. So I've already put it in the fridge. Now we are back, guys. So this is how it's looking like now. So I'm just going to, that is my empty jug. It's 120 ml empty jug. So I'm just going to fill it up to the, I'm not going to use it to store the products. Okay, I'm just going to use it to store the products. They are super clean, so they are super clean. So I'm just going to add the product to it, as you can see me doing right there. So I have this product contain three of this jug. So one is three is 120 ml. So I have three of this jug, that is about 360 ml that I got from this product that I made. So guys, this is just how it's very simple, very easy to make. So this is how they are looking like now. They are very cool now. I'm just going to cover it and keep it aside. Then when it cool down a little bit, about an hour later, I'll come back to show you guys how it's looking like. So when you keep this, it's going to just stay fine like the store bought products that you buy in the store every day, like the hair grease that you buy in the store every day. So guys, this is my hair grow grease butter, and this is my hair, so this is my hair grow grease oil and hair grow grease butter. So guys, this is how they are looking like now. In case you want to buy it, your girl is here. Just tell me your email, send me email. My email address is at the description box below. Send me an email, tell me you want to go get, I'm gonna get it for you. So guys, this is like about an hour later. This is how it's looking like now. So the next day is going to be more thinner. So it's going to be more thinner the next day. I don't want to touch it because this is for somebody, so I'm making this for somebody, so I don't want to touch it. I'll be sending it out the next day. I don't want to mess it, I don't want to touch it at all. So guys, this is how it's looking like now. As you can see, tell me what it look like. It does not look like the one that you buy in the store. So I just nibble it like ginger and vitamin E egg white. So I just use that little paper to nibble it. So this is not like fancy nibble, okay? Just this is the oil, guys. I hope you like this video. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want this product, just email me, or let's do business, let's talk business. Thank you guys, bye bye, and I will see you all in my